Hi, welcome to this video. Managing iCloud storage for family sharing requires an eligible iCloud Plus plan of 200 gigabyte or 2 terabytes. Setting up a family group and sharing the plan through your device settings. So head over to iCloud Plus. Luckily, I've subscribed to at least like 200 gigabyte plan. All I gotta do is just scroll up and down to find the iCloud Plus features. You can see here the family sharing feature is here. So I'm gonna just tap family, right? And start sharing my subscription, right? My Apple Music, iCloud Plus, etc. Now all I gotta do is invite others, right? Using their iCloud email, or you could create a child account if you have a child and they may be obsessed with playing with their iPad or whatever. Okay, so basically that's it. Individual files and photos remain completely private while pooling the total pool of space. So consider liking this video, subscribing. It really helps with the channel. Until next time, see you.